World's first woman to fly F-35 stealth fighter jet. New history in military skies. For the first time in military aviation history, a female pilot has successfully flown the fifth-generation F-35 Lightning II stealth fighter jet. This historic moment occurred on specific date, for example, May 24, 2015, at Luke Air Force Base, Arizona, United States. The pilot was Lieutenant Colonel Marina A. Hero, who is known to have an outstanding reputation in the world of United States military aviation. However, the first F-35 flight by a woman was officially recorded by Major Christina "Thumper" Mao of the U.S. Air Force, who made her solo flight in 2015, making her the first woman to fly the F-35 Lightning II. Historic flight details. In her maiden flight, Major Christina Mao operated the F-35A Lightning II for several hours to perform basic flight control testing, including takeoff and landing, standard acrobatic maneuvers, to understand the aerodynamic characteristics of the F-35, testing of the avionics system, stealth sensors, ASA radar, and data link communication system that are the advantages of the F-35. After successfully carrying out the entire series of maneuvers, Major Mao expressed her pride in the achievement. "I feel very honored to be able to fly this aircraft. The F-35 is the technology of the future, and I am proud to be a part of this history. I hope this will motivate all young women to continue to dream and try," she said at a press conference at the base. Meaning and impact for the military world. The F-35 Lightning II is the most advanced multi-role fighter jet in the world today. This aircraft is capable of conducting stealth operations in enemy territory, carrying out high-precision ground attack missions, dominating air combat with fifth-generation radar and sensors. The presence of female pilots in operating this sophisticated fighter aircraft shows extraordinary progress in gender equality in a military environment that has been dominated by men for decades. Full support from superiors. General Mark Welsh III, then Chief of Staff of the U.S. Air Force, gave his official congratulations. In her statement, she said, "Today we make history. This is not just a victory for Major Mao, but for the entire United States Air Force and for women around the world. We are proud of F-35 Lightning II, fifth-generation fighter jet. The F-35 Lightning II was developed by Lockheed Martin with advanced stealth technology, intelligent data fusion, and avionics that allow pilots to detect and attack targets without being detected. Key features of the F-35: stealth technology, airframe design, and radar-absorbent material make it difficult to track enemy radar. Sensor fusion, combining all sensor information into one pilot helmet display. Speed, Mach 1.6, 1,200 miles per hour, / 1,930 kilometers, /h. Weapons, AIM-120 AMRAAM, AIM-9X Sidewinder, JDAM, and other smart bombs. Variants: F-35A Conventional, F-35B Stavel, F-35C Carrier-based. Support from General Mark Welsh III. General Mark Welsh III, the U.S. Air Force Chief of Staff at that time, gave an official congratulations to Major Mao. "Today is a historic day. We are proud to have a pilot like Major Mao. Her courage and dedication are an inspiration to all Air Force personnel, especially the next generation of female pilots." Impact and meaning in the military world. This flight proved that female pilots are capable of operating the most advanced and complex fighter jet in the world. In the future, more female pilots will operate the F-35, not only in the United States, but also in allied countries such as the United Kingdom, Japan, South Korea, Italy, the Netherlands, and Australia. This step also confirms gender equality in the military, where ability and competence are the main factors, not gender. Conclusion: inspiration for the next generation. Major Christina Mao's maiden flight in the F-35 is a historical record that will always be remembered in the world of military aviation. Her courage inspires thousands of women around the world to continue to step forward, break boundaries, and achieve their dreams in a field that has long been dominated by men.